Unauthorized unboxing and release in progress. 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 Action taken to be sent to offender to be immediate.
Unidentified red and grey VTOL aircraft sighted near airbase flying all. Unidentified aircraft plus VTOL class sighted near airfield air. Immediate emergency units to be dispatched right away. Aircraft use enemy strike fighter. Intrusion of airspace committed by the red and grey VTOL jet. Design unknown. Unidentifiable flying aircraft with VTOL capability sighted over airfield L. While flying towards West Hills, Stag Heights, and Howell. Interception is paramount.